Hello everyone, today I want to create a handbag using vinyl leather. I hope this tutorial can help you to make a handbag. If you have any question about this tutorial, just comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Art and Studio, if you like to get more videos about bags making. Thank you and happy crafting.
Step 1: Material preparation. Prepare all the materials you need to create this handbag. In this tutorial, we use vinyl leather as the outer and thin polyester fabric as the inner material. Please comment if you need the pattern. These are the accessories that I use for making the handbag. Step 2: Making the bag strap. Fold the leather for the bag strap like this. And use clipping pins to make it easier. Sew along this side. Put the accessories into the strap like this. Put the other accessories too and sew the end side. Step 3: Sewing the inner. Prepare the vinyl leather and polyester fabric for the inner. Sew along this area. Do it for both sides. Put the magnetic button on the center of the inner bag. Do it for both sides. Sew along this area. Don't forget to sew this part to make a closure. Step 4: Sewing the outer. Sew along this area. Sew along this area. Put this part together and sew along this area to make a closure. Do it for both sides. Step 5: Sewing all parts together. Put the inner part inside the outer part. Don't forget to put the straps too. Then, sew along this area. Use clipping pins to make it easier. Now, the sling bag is ready. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.